Your calendar can be shared within the organization with varying levels of visibility. To control your calendar's sharing permissions, click on the Settings gear on the top right of the calendar interface. Once you're in Settings, navigate to your specific calendar by clicking your name on the left-hand side. Scroll until you see Access Permissions. Access permissions allow you to share your calendar with the entire organization or with the public. Click the box next to your organization to make your calendar available to everyone in your organization. Click the drop-down menu to the right of the organization to control the level of calendar visibility. You will see 4 levels of permission: Free Busy, All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Free Busy means that team members who query your calendar will only be able to see free busy blocks. All Event Details mean they'll be able to see everything about the events on your calendar. This includes titles, descriptions, and a guest list. You can still choose to make specific events private by changing the visibility on the event to private. Make changes to events means that your team members will be able to change the details of the event, including guest list, time, title, and description. Make changes and manage sharing is full co-ownership of your calendar. Most people choose Free Busy only for the organization. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to decide if calendar info should be available in other apps. Allowing calendar info in other apps means apps like Google Chat will allow folks to see if you're in a meeting before they send you a chat message. Next, let's talk about Share with Specific People. Sharing with specific people allows you to add Google Groups or specific individuals with different visibility than your selection for the organization. To get started, click Add People. Type in anyone's name or a group's name. Select the appropriate level of permission and click Send. The recipient will receive a link in their email which they can click to add your calendar to their calendar. If you've added a number of calendars to your sidebar, you may need to hide certain calendars. To hide a calendar, click the 3 dots to the right of the calendar name and choose Hide. To show a hidden calendar, go to Settings on the top right, find the calendar you've hidden on the left-hand side, and click the eyeball icon to reveal the calendar. Navigate back to your calendar to see the change. If you have the need to create a new calendar, such as a team calendar, click the plus button at the bottom left of your calendar list. Click Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a name. Remember to configure your calendar settings by refreshing the screen, then clicking the name of the calendar on the left-hand side. You'll want to add any colleagues with the appropriate level of access. If you need to book events on your new calendar, create your event as normal. Then click the name at the bottom of the window and choose the secondary calendar. Google Calendar also supports interesting calendars, such as holidays and sports teams. To add an interesting calendar, click the plus button on the bottom left. Click Browse Calendars of Interest. Choose an interesting calendar. Then navigate back to your calendar.